Hey folks, this is Bard, and remember Bard is one of our Pips. Bard is just slightly, maybe a week behind in rehabilitation of Saga. In fact, we're probably going to bring him out in the house this week and let him start to used to living in and among actual people versus being in the office, or excuse me, in the shower room where I come and visit him. He is a very sweet boy. He's very handsome. As you can tell, he's still scared. He's still not making eye contact. But he is so much further along that we're very proud of him. He is a Pip still, project in progress. We certainly could use a sponsor for him since he's going to be here for at least probably another month before he's going to be ready to go home, although he's doing really, really well, and I'm very, very proud of him. Can we see face? He was the one who beat up his nose so badly on the track, and it's actually come back in. I don't know if you can see it. My light's not very good. I don't know if you can see that his nose is, the hair's coming back in. It's coming a little bit lighter, which is common in a Siamese, in the color point. Oh, is he like that? Oh, is he like that? Oh, yeah. But he is doing very well. I'd give him about a month. He'll probably be ready to go after Christmas. But he's a great cat. He gets along very well with other cats. He has the softest fur. I mean, he really has just become this most beautiful cat. It's just going to take somebody with a little bit of patience to love on him. So say bye, Bard. Say bye.